Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Salesforce Makes Sense. This is Himanshu and we are into our Lightning Web Components curriculum. We've just recently started, we have just talked about a few things, and in the last video, not tutorial, I talked a bit about myself. I hope that was not too much, but jumping on to understand who this course or this masterclass is for. Okay, why are you here? Why are you watching this video? This slide could probably tell you and give you an idea whether this is relevant for you or not. I've just tried to cover people or personas who can benefit from this entire course, and I've just kept it very high level. Okay, the first thing is admins who want to transition into development. That's the primary kind of people who know Salesforce a bit, who know out of the box and can build a few things, but they really want to switch into development. And that's where, if you want to become a developer and you have not really started yet, and if you are not able to start Apex first, or not able to code first, and you want to stick to the UI side of the work or the framework, you can actually benefit from this course. So if you are a Salesforce developer or an admin, learning LWC is going to ensure that you stay ahead of the curve in this very competitive industry. Okay, the other thing is Salesforce developers who want to stay relevant. All right, so even I am a Salesforce developer by heart today, right? And I know Visualforce and I know Apex and I know Aura, and now I know LWC, because you have to stay relevant, you have to stay updated. Only then you can actually work in jobs and you can actually contribute and make a significant value to the businesses that you work for. Okay, so either be it an admin who wants to take their skill to the next level, or be it a developer who is still just a developer but does not know LWC, this is going to benefit both kind of personas. If you're a fresh graduate or a beginner in Salesforce and you directly want to jump into something that involves development or coding, and you might have done a bit of JavaScript in your college life, this is lucrative for you. Okay, so if you want to actually start off, like you're preparing for your first job interview and you actually know that I want to be in the Salesforce industry, you can actually start off with LWC. Okay, how much of it will make sense to you? I think you should be fine, but the idea would be to actually jump in early, because you have the advantage that certain people don't. You are really fresh and companies hire freshers more. So it's always good to have a skill or a trending skill in your belt. Okay, so even if you're just starting, this course will help you to equip you with in-demand skills, and that will open doors to really good roles. Okay, developers from other platforms, this is another good chunk of people who actually can benefit. So a lot of people are React developers, UI UX developers, what do you call them, front end developers, or native, there's one more word I'm forgetting, maybe full stack developers, right? Full stack developers, they have a very easy gateway because of LWC to jump into Salesforce as a technology. Okay, because the administration is not that tough. It's just a CRM system that you need to understand, and you can get that sorted in 3 to 4 months. But if you're a web developer, your expertise as a web developer will enhance what you really do and contribute in the Salesforce industry. Okay, it will kind of bridge the gap, and it will be more beneficial for you because you get better job roles and better benefits when you are doing the same kind of development within the Salesforce industry, because it pays you well and it is here to stay. Okay, so if you are a developer from other platform and you already know HTML5, CSS3, you know a bit of Node, you know React, you know Angular, you know all of that stuff, this is a good chance. And if you're not really looking to continue there, and if you want to actually switch or change your domain, this could be a good idea to start off, and you could benefit from this course. Okay, the last is enthusiasts, or Salesforce people who are already into Salesforce and who know a bit of it, and who want to actually build amazing apps, and who want to really learn from it and unlock their full potential. Okay, not just be a basic guy out there, but be more like a end-to-end solution provider, a deep thinker, and a design creator. So who want to build amazing apps, they can actually jump into this curriculum. All right, that's primarily the idea of who this course curriculum is for. But if you think you do not belong to one of these, do put a comment and let me know what kind of area are you in and what are you looking for, and I can probably help you and assist you whether or not this would be fruitful for you, because this is a very long commitment that you're going to make. You'll be looking at these videos, tutorials to understand. At the end, it should benefit you. It's very good to be upskilled, it's very good to be updated, it's very good to learn something new, but at the same time it should kind of resonate with the path that you are in. Okay, so just put a comment if you do not belong to this one of these categories, and let me know what kind of scenario are you in currently, or situation are you in currently, and I can probably tell you and assist you whether or not investing your time into the LWC curriculum, this masterclass, is beneficial for you or not. Okay, and people who are actually one of these in one of these categories, do leave a comment and let me know what are you expecting from this course. Okay, what are your expectations and what are you looking for? So do comment that below, and that's all I wanted to cover for this short tutorial, who this course is for. And in the next one, we'll talk about what's really in store for you, what can you expect. Okay, great, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.